there, Lindsay here, the Frugal Crafter, with a frugal tip for you today, and that is cataloging and indexing your acrylic paints. Acrylic paints are so useful for a variety of art and craft projects. I just got these heavy bodied paints by My Paints that are in a 2-ounce tube, and I wanted to keep them in the box they came in. I cut the box down so I can just kind of easily set that on my shelf and grab it when I want to go do some gel printing or some other craft project. And I wanted to index the cap, so I knew that I was going to have to open up each of these tubes and remove the little seal here. And I also know that you get this little bit of paint there, and sometimes you can scrape it back off into the container itself. But I thought, you know, this would be a great opportunity to just wipe that right on the lid, and then you can just kind of either spread it out with that little bit of paper that's there, or you can just spread it out with your finger. It covers it up really well. And then I can just store them in the box they came in, and that way I'll be able to see exactly what color is going to be in the tube. Another thing you can do is actually store them upside down so that the paint's already at the bottom as well. So it just depends on how you like to do it. This will work good with both your tube paints and also your bottle paints. So if you've got paint tubes, you can do the exact same thing. Squirt a little bit of paint on the cap and then just smear it around and let it dry, and you are going to know exactly what's in those tubes of paint, especially the opaque tubes where you can't really totally see what the color is. So there's my quick tip for today. Index your paints. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye.